I will talk about how can you find or add contacts to spam lists. So we'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on spam down here, just click on it. So when you click here on spam, it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find here all spam contacts you have. So in here can you add or enter here add your spam number. Click on it here, and here if you want to block here number series or block an existing contact or enter a number here. So then here in this list you will find all spam lists you have on your CallApp. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.